Janice, I'm going to ask you a little personal question. Have you ever kissed someone and had this encounter? Can you hear it?
Trust Renelle to ask these so personal questions on national television. And by this you mean teeth hitting each other?
Yeah.
Okay, no, that hasn't happened, thankfully.
Neither to me, but I have to tell you and listen up. Imran Khan has apparently had this encounter.
So much for his smart smoocher tag, huh?
A girl bit me once.
It's qualities or?
The kiss is not coming from a romantic point of view.
Yeah.
It would be weird to kiss a guy. You know, you never know what to expect. It's a crazy business.
Okay, so we're done with DK Bose. So we thought why not catch up with the brand new lip lockers in town.
Go with the do's.
Brush your teeth.
Do brush your teeth.
Mouthwash.
Well, I mean, you can't always plan. So essentially, do always have fresh breath. As a matter of course, it's just helpful. Do check if your partner is also interested in kissing you first.
Do check if your partner's alive.
It's generally advisable that when you're kissing someone, they should also want to kiss you back, because from time to time there are people who try to kiss people who are not interested in kissing them
Pick
back.
up on the cue.
Yeah, and
You ever missed a cue?
I have never missed a cue. No, I've never misread a situation like that. But there have been cases.
Any girl ever wanted to slap a kiss on you and you were like, mm-hmm.
Yeah, must have happened.
It probably has.
Yeah.
A girl bit me once.
Jeez.
The true story, she bit me. Security had to drag her off. It was on the arm. Actually, she grabbed my arm through the security cordon and dragged me in and was biting me.
Voila! These smoochers are shooting their mouths off like veterans.
Don't overbite. Like there's some people who just bite and I don't like it.
You know what's weird is when the teeth go like that. Avoid that one.
Okay. Like how Imran, show, please get close on this.
See,
The teeth go
there's your
out.
teeth.
Yeah.
You have to get the sound as well.
Are we capturing the sound? I think we are.
That sound. I never had braces.
I have braces.
You ever kiss someone with braces while you had braces?
I sure did.
Who knew Imran Khan had it in him to kiss and tell?
There's a guy holding a mic just over here to get the sound, and there's a cameraman over here saying, no, don't go so close, you're cutting the light. And there's the director saying, okay, fine, very good. Now just turn your head a little bit more, that's right.
Talk about being suggestive. You guys are doing some really risky stuff in the film, at least the promos from what I've seen.
Right.
Is that all or is there more to?
What are you talking about exactly? Don't be coy, come on.
You mean the dry humping scene? Is that?
Why are you making it so easy for me?
Oh, sorry.
If you can't work up the guts to say it,
You know, I rehearsed this before coming. I said, what if Imran asked me which scene?
if you
I
can't
knew I wouldn't be able to say it.
if you can't work up the guts to say it, how can you expect us to talk about it?
So I will say it in a very politically correct way. You're making out scene.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we have plenty of make-out scenes.
You guys have old folks catching you making out. Has that ever happened in real life? You ever been caught making out?
I have been fortunate, I have never been caught.
What are you saying?
Perfect record. Perfect record, I've never been caught.
And beware, all you leading ladies, there's not a pair this man would want to spare.
I will gladly kiss every heroine out there. If you're getting the chance to do it on screen and to get away with it, then don't draw the line. Then bring them all in. I see absolutely no reason to restrict myself.
Avantika, I hope you're listening to this. I really hope you're listening to this. How did you tell your wife about all that you're doing in the film? And how did
Luckily,
she
she was on set.
She was actually on set
Okay.
when we shot
Oh
it.
no, that must have just been weird.
I mean, it would have been weird with or without her.
But push him over the edge, and finally, the smooch machine grates to a halt. Men, you can rest in peace.
It would be weird to kiss a guy. It would be weird. And to be fair, in Dostana, John and Abhishek did not kiss.
They didn't, yeah. The way Hindi cinema is heading right now, you never know.
Nah, man, they would burn me alive if I kissed a guy.
You might just have a Brokeback Mountain. Why not?
No, man, I'm gonna reserve judgment on kissing guys for now.
Can I tell you what a lot of ladies would want to see? You kissing Ranbir.
I'm sure they would, but
I don't blame him.
if I can pry Ranbir away from whoever it is that he's kissing at that moment.
Oh gosh, I hope Ranveer's listening at this point as well.
हाय करंट मारती.
Kissing and clawing. Thank you, DK Bose, for spicing up Imran Khan.